Hi, I'm Anand Krishna, the National Project Director here at Bushle People Solution, and we have some great news for you guys. We are piloting the first ever occupational qualification with the QCTO, with one of South Africa's major retailers. The pilot project that we'll be rolling out with the W&R Seta and assistance from the QCTO will be the Occupational Retail Manager NQF Level 5 program. As you are all aware, the historical qualifications are coming to an end, and the occupational qualification will be taking over. Our journey with the QCTO from accreditation to implementation of the program has been very informative. We have gained valuable insight on how to implement and how to roll out a program, and this will be sharing with you guys in the training and development sectors. As we roll out the occupational qualification, we'll be posting videos on our Knowledge Hub that you can visit on our website. We're also sharing videos on our social media platforms as well as our YouTube channel. So follow us on this amazing journey as we share valuable information on the QCTO qualifications.